Page 23, we wish you a Merry Christmas. This is the primo part of the duet. The bottom part of the secondo part is on page 22. So let's take a look. Going to go through my routine for learning a new piece of music. I look it over, I see it's 1 page long. We have treble and treble clef now. Both stabs are treble clef. Look out. See, I always check the clef signs. They could be anything, who knows. 3/4 time signature. We have a pickup beat. We got eighth notes and quarter notes and things. For the most part, it's one hand or the other playing. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this both hands together. So the right hand, you're up here. And the left hand, you're here. So we're in this position. It's sort of like a middle C position, except we're not middle C, we're up here. And it's 3-1, 3 and 1 and 2 and. So now here, each hand gets that C. You get the idea? Okay, let's go down to the third line. Measure 9 and 10, just dotted half notes, and measure 11, it's F sharp, reach up, just reach up with the same finger. Here, so it's 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and. Like so. Now you put the hands together. And once I've got the hands sort of working, I get rid of any hesitations. You can't be playing with other people and have hesitations. It doesn't work. The beat's got to be steady. Then I think about the articulation. We have phrasing and staccato. Connect. Staccato. I'm on the key and I'm bouncing off, flexing at the wrist. Lift up. It's like phrase. But on measure 5, connect all that. Lift up. So measure 6, you do end the phrase and start another one. Okay. On measure 9 and so forth, connect all this together. Connect all this. There's nothing marked. Pretend there's a big line over. It's not a phrase, it's a slur, but connect it. And then you can lift up. So once I have the articulation under control, then I think about the dynamics. F at the beginning. Forte, it's because it's melody. You'll have to decide what loud is. It depends on the situation. Just not really loud, just loud. It's a happy piece. You get to measure 9, you come down to moderately soft. Mezzo piano, soft. That's because the other part gets the melody and now your background, your harmony, your support. Now you come back up to melody. Actually here both parts are getting the melody the way it's written. I don't agree with that, but that's what they're doing, so okay. Then as far as the speed goes, well, it's a happy piece. So it has to be accurate. So whatever you can do, be accurate. It's up to you. Just stay relaxed, stay loose. You're just using more weight to play loud and less weight to play softer. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics and play it all about the same. We're just checking notes and rhythms here. I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. Now you should be playing the same note I'm playing when I play it. And this is after you've learned it now. Ready and go and 3 and 1 and 2. Two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now let's try this as a duet. So you play the stuff on page 23, like we just did, only a little faster, and I'll play the stuff on page 22. I'll give you 2 counts because we come in on beat 2. Actually, to help out a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and play that note with you, the pickup beat down here, just to keep us going. And I'm going to alter the duet part a little bit because I need to be playing something on every beat so we can stay together. Because otherwise, you know, I could follow you or you could follow me, but when we do it this way, we can't follow each other. We're on our own. So I'm going to play something on every beat. Ready, go.